Fridays are for customers. Every Friday, each one of us picks a task and tries to ship it to make someone really happy. Let's see what we got up to.
Hey everyone, so currently we have this annoying bug in the playground where I can't scroll vertically in the prompt preview and I can't see the scroll bar either. Now this has been fixed, so in the next release, scrolling is gonna work again.
Hey VetRec, you guys mentioned you wanted to see fallback error history in BAML errors, and that is now available. Now if you print out BAML client HTTP error or any of the other errors, validation error, and so on, there will now be a detailed message field that has the full history.
Hello, Ane. Thank you for the feedback that our docs were out of date for our clients. We've now updated every single client so it has the latest examples of every single model that's out there. So whether it's Anthropic, the Bedrock models, or anything else, you will be able to see all the models easily from now on with the latest examples. And for anyone starting a new BAML project, you'll also get the latest examples when you do BAML CLI init, along with great examples for Gemini, Vertex, and anything else. Thanks.
Hey BakaX Not, we have now added Vercel AI Gateway to our documentation, so you should be able to use it with a bunch of models from the Vercel endpoint. Elijah's, you also reported there was an issue with BAML with options, and I've confirmed that in the latest version of BAML, we don't have that issue anymore, so I added a test here that confirms that if you use these B with options, the options inside of here still get preserved. Finally, Vikas, I noticed that you didn't know how to test PDFs in the playground, so I've gone ahead and added that to the documentation. So if you search for PDF and click on the first result, you'll be able to see how to test PDFs in the playground.
The BAML parser is very forgiving. That's what lets us guarantee that you're always going to get back structured data, no matter how creative the LLM gets with its output formats. However, there's some types of parsing errors that we can't fix without breaking the parser for more regularly shaped data. And in those cases, we've written up a little recipe for how you can deal with those situations. The gist is like this. You write a function that takes the parse error and the original message and just tells a new LLM to fix it up. That way the LLM doesn't have to think about the semantics of its answer and the formatting at the same time, and is more likely to create a well-formatted output. We also have documentation for how to use this pattern from your client code, and some advice for how to choose a model for the reformatting. Thanks to VetRec for noticing this issue and for testing out our fix.